Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I wanted to come over here and share a little bit about me, what I have been going through for the past couple of months. So like postpartum depression wasn't enough. I was also diagnosed with pre-diabetes. It runs in my family, so I knew I will get it someday. I reached out to this amazing dietitian. She is from Pakistan. Her name is Muntaha, and I've been following her diet plans for 2 months now, and I did lose some weight, but it's not even about weight loss right now because I'm focusing on my overall health. One of the biggest reasons I love her is that I didn't have to cook a separate meal for myself. Best thing about her is that her diets are not at all difficult. She won't let you starve. No, she is not going to restrict you from anything. In fact, she will have you eat a lot